ST7223U is made of stainless steel and ABS. Door material is aluminum alloy for 2.5-inch. Apply to one 2.5-inch and one 3.5-inch HDD. With two USB 3.0 ports on front panel for extension and have lock design for both bays. Key lock structure for 2.5-inch. Insert SATA power line and data line. Open the door and put the HDD in. Lock the door. The installation location is optic drive bay. Support SATA 3 6 Gbps transfer rate. Support hot swap.